Want to delete all images on your Canon camera at once? Most users waste time deleting photos one by one, but there's a fast way to clear your entire gallery in seconds. And in this video, I'll show you how to delete all photos on your Canon camera. Let's delete them all right now. First, turn on your camera. After that, press the menu button. Next, go to the playback icon 1. Now look below. Here you will find the erase image option. Now make sure to select this option. Then press the set button. Here you will get the all images on card option. Scroll down and select this option. Press the set button. Remember, this will delete all images but won't remove protected images. Then select OK. And press the set button to confirm deletion. And that's it. This is how you can delete all photos on your Canon camera. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like button, and if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.